I have the Nintendo Switch, and I'll be showing you how to find your lost Joy-Cons. So from the home page, just go to the Joy-Con icon, this one right here. It's called controllers. Double tap on it, and that's going to open the Joy-Con page, and then tap on find controllers. Then you should see this. So what you want to do is, if they're disconnected, tap on it once and it's going to get connected, and then now you can long press and the Joy-Con is going to vibrate. I don't know if you can feel it vibrate or you can hear it vibrating, but it's actually vibrating. So if it's close by within Bluetooth range, you should be able to find it easily. Same goes for the other Joy-Con. It vibrates the more you hold it. So that's the easiest way to find your lost Joy-Con controllers. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.